Dear students, let us start our today's topic, which is from exercise 3.2. Introduction of exercise 3.2. So, let us start our introduction. In this exercise, we will learn what is prime numbers and what are composite numbers. So, before starting our topic, I would like to have a glimpse on some numbers from 1 to 10. So, till now, all of you have known that what are factors. Any number, for any number 1, factor is 1. For 2, factors are 1 and 2. Because 1 divides 2 and 2 also divide 2. In case of 3, factors are 1 and 3. All of you know that all the numbers have 2 factors except 1. एक को छोड़ के बाकी सभी नंबर्स के मिनिमम 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं. मिनिमम 2 फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? एक तो 1 होता है and दूसरा factor is number itself. In case of 2, it is divided by 1 and itself. In case of 3, it is divided by 1 and itself. In case of 4, 4 is divided by 1 and itself and as well as by 2. So, every factor divides its number. So 4 is divided by 1, 2 and 4. In case of 5, 5 is only divided by 1 and itself. In case of 6, is divided by 1 and itself as well as 6 is divided by 2 and 3. In case of 7, it is divided by 1 and itself. 1 and 7. In case of number 8, it is divided by 1 and itself as well as 8 is divided by 2 and 4 also. In case of 9, it is divided by 1 and 9 itself also. In case of 10, it is divided by 1 and itself as well as by 2 and 5. So, based on these numbers, we can say that mainly except 1, अगर 1 को हम छोड़ दें, excluding 1, every number have minimum 2 factors. कम से कम हर नंबर के 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं. जैसे हर नंबर का एक तो 1 फैक्टर होगा और वो नंबर itself. ये 2 फैक्टर तो 1 को छोड़ के बाकी सभी नंबर्स के होते हैं. बट देयर आर सम अदर केस लाइक 6, 4, 8, 9 and 10. These numbers have more than 2 factors. So, we can say that if any number have only 2 factors, like 2 have only 2 factors, 3, 5, 7 and none other. So, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. All of these have only 2 factors. So, these factors are 1 and number itself. So, all of these numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. And every number which have more than 2 factors which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4 has 1, 2 and 3 factors. 4 has 3 factors. 6 has 4 factors. So every number which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Are called composite numbers. Dear students, 1 is neither a prime number and nor a composite number because it cannot come in definition of prime number, because prime number have exactly two factors, and neither it comes under composite number because it do not have more than two factors. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now let us come to the definition of prime number. So definition of prime number is such that the number other than 1 whose only factor is 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. वो सभी नंबर्स जिनके एग्जैक्टली टू फैक्टर्स होते हैं, 1 और नंबर इटसेल्फ आर कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. All of these numbers have exactly two factors. So these numbers are called prime numbers. But in case of composite numbers, as we know that numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21. All of these have more than two factors. So these numbers are called composite numbers. Now we will learn even and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. वो सभी नंबर्स जो 2 से डिविजिबल होते हैं वो सभी कैसे नंबर्स होते हैं? इवन नंबर होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, like this. We can say that all the multiples of 2, all the multiples of 2 are called even numbers, and numbers which are not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. These type of numbers are called odd numbers. We have two other important things also that you have to keep in mind is that 2 is the only even smallest 2 is the only even smallest prime number. 2 के अलावा कोई भी नंबर, कोई भी इवन नंबर प्राइम नंबर नहीं हो सकता. ओके, 2 is the only even number. You have to keep in mind, and every, we can say, that every prime number except 2 is odd. 2 को छोड़ के जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं वो सभी प्राइम नंबर्स कैसे होते हैं? ओड होते हैं. यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट 2 इज द ओनली even prime number. So based on this concept we have to attempt exercise 3.2.